How to create a meeting in Google Meet. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Google Meet application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now simply tap on the new option at the bottom right corner of the screen. So here you can just tap on schedule to create a meeting over here in Google Meet. And as you tap on schedule, you can simply tap and schedule your meeting over here. You can select the date, then simply select on the time, and as you select on the time, you can just tap on the plus icon. Here you can just tap on meeting with team and then tap on save, and then you can now just go back, and as you do that, you'll be able to create a meeting in Google Meet. So you can just tap on new, and then you can also now create a link, and you can just join, or you can just share this meeting link to other people, and you'll be able to create a meeting in Google Meet. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.